Everyone, happy Thursday. You don't understand the passion Ernest and we have doing what we do every single day. The trades we provide, we know the market kind of went down south today, but just to see Twitter and Dollar Tree move up and the options providing over 100% return in 3 days, we know that's straight drive, straight passion, and skill. And best of all, we teach you how to master the skill of producing that now money, right now income. Forget the future. We want it now. Almost 4,800 on a day, and I'm going to show you how we did it over in our trading room at theprofitroom.com. What you're looking at right now is Roku daily chart. So this is a daily chart of Roku. And in order to prepare every morning for trading, you have to know exactly what's going on a daily time frame. With that said, we traded Roku on Friday during earnings, and we made over $4,000 on this trade alone. So every day ever since, just remember Monday was a holiday, so this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday's candle. We also traded Roku yesterday, same thing to the short side. We did miss the opportunity Tuesday because we found the other setups elsewhere. So I'm going to go in particular with how we traded Roku today. Roku, very interesting. We did bounce. I'm going to take you to a 1-minute chart because this was the first trade of the day. Shorted out the gate. It did bounce off of a particular support level in the morning. So it was a quick trade, and my whole goal during trading is to find an opportunity to allow members to get in with a limit order so there's plenty of time so they can take the trade alongside with me. This morning entry point was so fast, couldn't even provide it. But however, came an opportunity to provide the trade short. Originally within this channel here, you can see where it's just channeling sideways. I wanted to get in on the break of 126. So I realized, okay, while it's fiddling in this channel, we can get a better entry point. So I gave them an entry point of 126.30 limit to take it short with a stop loss around 126.75. Because if you notice here, it never broke back above the 60s ever again. So to have a stop up here was reasonable in terms of the risk, because I was anticipating now we're in the next range and this should rightfully so drop. And down it went. It was literally a smooth ride down into the nearest levels of support, which happens to be 121. I did not hold that long. I basically took about $3 per share on average on my exits. You have to remember, Ernest and we are position size traders, as in we'll scale into a position where some traders might take a initial position of, let's say, 500 shares. They'll get in and they will hold that, have their risk, and get out. However, what we do, we'll start with a filler position. It could be 300 to 500 shares. We'll build on top of that position, so our average is going to be a little bit lower, but we'll be in some great size. So when this stock starts to flush, we're just exiting in partials because now we have a solid average, a great amount of shares, and we can just let go and really let the profit potential run. And we teach you how to do this, of course, in any of our programs when it comes to trading stocks. But also, we can do this with the options. And Ernest had made a point to showcase a lot of the day trading option videos and make it available for you all to see on YouTube. Hopefully you all like this recap. Just remember, I just pointed out a daily perspective in terms of probably tapping that level of support and how it looked on a 1-minute time frame in order to ride the actual trade to a lower level target. It's all about patience. All right, everyone, take care. Don't forget to subscribe as well as share with your friends. So joking, kind of, in the beginning of the video. Of course we invest, and we teach others how to invest as well into their foreseeable future. We speak highly about compounding interest and how it works, how to build a long-term portfolio and what that should consist of. But the bread and butter, trading, just give us 30 minutes to an hour.